A significant number of lawyers will face some sort of law society complaint within their first 10 years of practice. And yet the people who have the largest voting power with the law society are in their 26th year or more of practice. There are no benchers on the Law Society of BC bencher list that are in their first 7 years of practice. This is a problem. We need voices at the Law Society who reflect the diversity of the bar. When you look at how many lawyers are in their first 10 years of practice, and in particular female lawyers in their first 10 years of practice, they outnumber the female lawyers in their 26th and beyond year of practice. We understand what it's like to be young lawyers and the challenges that young lawyers face. And that's why having a new voice, a fresh perspective on the Law Society benchers will assist younger lawyers who are part of the largest demographic of the Law Society. Having somebody who understands what it's like to be a lawyer in their first 10 years of practice will allow the Law Society to better provide services for you, a lawyer in your first 10 years of practice. And shouldn't that be what you're asking for from the benchers? Somebody that represents you, somebody that understands your needs, somebody that's attuned to your interests as a young lawyer? As a lawyer in her first 7 years of practice, I'm committed to ensuring that younger lawyers have as much of a voice with the Law Society as do lawyers in their 26th year of practice or more. This shouldn't be a governance body that is run by people who've been in the profession for a very long time, because it's often difficult to remember what it was like in the early years. I want to bring that back to the Law Society. I want to increase diversity in age and years of practice at the Law Society benchers. And that's why you should vote for me. Visit kylaforbencher.ca to learn more.